Using the drop-down in the top left, you can select which asset types to pin to the toolbar. Once pinned, you can cycle through your audio clips, materials, prefabs, scenes, sprites, and so much more. With scriptable objects selected, you can further choose between all your scriptable object classes. The serialized property sampler is a great example for all the supported property types. This includes arrays, lists, materials, nested structs, sprites, and nested classes, as well as integers, bytes, shorts, longs, unsigned ints, bools, floats, doubles, strings, colors, objects, layers, enums, vectors, and the list goes on and on. If you can serialize it in the inspector, it can be serialized in Scriptable Sheets.